Almost all bills are well-intentioned, but that doesn't mean that all bills will work as they are intended to. At Libertas, the bad bills we stop are often as important as the good bills that we pass. 178 Utahns died from drug overdoses in 2021, and Senate Bill 254 tried to address this by creating the new crime of drug-induced homicide. Basically, if a person sold meth or opiates and those contributed to someone's death, the dealer would be subject to much higher penalties than for just dealing drugs. Anytime someone sells drugs, there's a chance that the buyer's going to overdose. So everyone who sells drugs is equally guilty of endangering lives. But a small portion of drug users will use too much or a combination of drugs and alcohol, and they'll die. And the dealer has no control over this. So it's pretty much dumb luck who gets charged with dealing and who gets charged with drug-induced homicide. Since only a small percent of drug sales lead to death, the possibility of a greater punishment is just too remote to change incentives and decrease drug deaths. At Libertas, we believe that criminal penalties should be predictable and should be proportionate to how wrong the behavior is. Senate Bill 254 didn't pass muster, so this session we worked to ensure that it never became law.